If your boss gives you such documents and they ask you to retype them into Excel, this could be BOQs or work orders. Of course, this would take you between 30 to 1 hour to have them completed. So in this video, I want to show you a simple trick that you can use and have all your documents retyped for you directly into Excel with ease. So the first thing that you have to do is to download and install the official Microsoft Office application. It is available for both Android and iOS users. This is the application you should download, the one with this icon over here. From my case, it's already installed in my mobile, so I'll go ahead and just open the application. And when it opens, you tap the plus button, tap the Excel icon, then tap on Scan Table. The app will open for you the scanner. Head over to your document that you'd like to scan. This is the document that we want to scan. Make sure you're in a flat surface. So when you get your document clearly, then you tap on this button over here. Your document will be scanned, then you can resize to make sure that your table is fully captured. Once you get comfortable, then you can tap on Continue. Excel will start to extract your table, and when it gets done, you'll get a preview of your document that has been retyped. Then you can tap on Open with Excel over here. Click on Open Anywhere. Your Office application will load into Excel. You can go ahead and extract it onto your desktop. And by doing that, in a few minutes, you'll have your document generated. Then you can just go in and make some changes and also clean out some spelling issues. This will definitely save you some time. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the like button and also leave a comment, and I will be happy to respond to any of your comments.